Nothing is about to launch its first ever smartphone this summer, which they named the Nothing Phone 1. And we already know that it will have a translucent design just like the earbuds they launched a few months earlier. However, the leaks and rumors about the Nothing Phone 1 keep piling up and creating hype between Android enthusiasts. But the question is, what will make it stand out from other smartphones? To know that, watch our video till the end as we will be discussing its design, specs, price, and many more. So, without further ado, let's dive in. At the 23rd March event, Nothing confirmed that they're working on the first ever smartphone, but they didn't give us any information about it beyond promising a summer release. Also, they teased us about the design with a simple image. Rumors suggest that this might be the rear side of the phone. This image shows the camera system that might boast the top left corner and a wireless charging coil on the rear. In a recent interview with Wallpaper, founder Carl Play and head of design Tom Howard showed an image that confirmed the Nothing Phone 1 will sport a Gaza design to emphasize its internal components. Nothing also tweeted that the frame will be made from recycled aluminum and there will be a transparent back. About the charging coil, founder Carl Pei posted an image on Twitter and said they chose the wireless charging coil as the hero among the 400 plus smartphone components. Now, let's talk about its specs. Nothing has confirmed that they will use a Snapdragon chip in the phone, but they didn't say which generation chip they will use. We are expecting this phone to feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus to frame this as a flagship device. But rumors suggest that they might move down a step, meaning Nothing could use Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 SoC as their focus on efficiency and experience. We think stepping down from Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus might not be a great idea if they want to compete with other flagship smartphones. Also, this phone might come with up to 8GB of RAM and up to 128GB of storage. According to another reliable leaker TechDroider, Nothing Phone 1 is likely to feature a 6.55-inch OLED display offering full HD+ resolution. Also, it will have flat edges and a punch-hole camera. In addition, there will be no chin, which is confirmed by Nothing. With this edge-to-edge display, you can get an immersive content watching experience. Coming to the software, Carl Pei introduced Nothing OS based on Android 12 and will have most of Google's apps. In terms of how the OS might look, it will have minimal animations, custom fonts, colors, and graphical elements. Also, the dot matrix font will give you a different vibe and glimpse of its simplicity. If you want to experience what using a Nothing phone might feel like, you can use the Nothing Launcher Beta, which is available on the Play Store. So, how much the phone might cost, and more importantly, when will it be available? As we said before, Nothing confirmed that the phone will be released in the summer of 2022, but there's no official price tag yet. However, a leak source claimed that the phone will be available on July 21st, 2022 with around a £500 price tag. So, this is all the information we have about the Nothing Phone 1. This upcoming phone will have a transparent back, flat edge display, and a punch-hole camera, but most importantly, it will have Nothing's own OS based on Android 12 to provide a smoother user experience. What do you think? Can Nothing actually make a difference in the smartphone world? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know in the comment section below, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.